Maintaining a chainsaw hand is not as easy as you think it would be. It's not. It's not about ensuring whether the chainsaw has oil or gas, that the pull cord is nice and tight, not dangling too much, that the chain is nice and sharp so that you have an easier time cutting down trees or deadites or whatever might be in your way. No. The internal mechanics of a chainsaw hand, especially when you still have one attached, is kind of difficult. There's a lot of triggers and wires and mechanisms that goes into this guy right here to have it be fully functioning. I would think that minus one hand it'd be even more difficult, but we all find a way. So for instance, I have several triggers in here to ensure the speed, the rate at which I consume gas and oil, that sort of thing. I had to shift a lot of stuff around. Believe me, there's a lot of nuts and bolts that had to get entirely new homes and fastenings. Just, it's kind of a pain in the butt. I mean, this looks awesome, yeah, and sure, I've had a lot of good days with it. It's gotten me out of a lot of tough situations. But at times, it's really not worth the hassle of upkeep. That's my rant over with. I'm going to finish this tree. And for the love of God, if you ever do decide to build one of these yourselves, do a big favor. Do a big favor for me, if not just for yourself. Ensure that the trigger mechanism isn't done by your thumb, in which you have to move it in a really odd manner. Just make sure it's by the trigger finger. That way, you don't need to worry about it not functioning in the heat of the moment. PSA over, again.